me! Petal, can you stop making all that noise? Petal will make a racket.
My fucking asshole hurts! No, it's okay.
Sorry, I got the hiccups.
Oh, I got a better idea what you needed. Whoopsie. You have a go,
You want me
Mika.
to try?
No, I said your turn, Mika. Now, that's more like it.
You have a go, Petal.
Oh, forget that stupid baby. Oh, let me have a turn without baby. That's better, that's more like it. Oh, goodness me.
My kid, can you get some more toys?
Yes, I'll get some toys for you. All you have to do is get the teddy bears and you'll hug my teddy bears. Here's the bunny teddy bear. The teddy bear is old enough. Oh, I
Crockett,
didn't
why are
need
you
it.
holding my teddy bears with Petal? Mika, I want my teddy bears back.
Could you
Why
calm
don't you
down,
shut up and
please?
listen to teddy bears?
Oh,
this
that's a
baby's gonna cry without teddy bears.
What the fuck?
Mika, he did it again.
That's boring. Quick, boring Petal. Boring babies. That's why the babies don't disturb other teddy bears.
Crockett, could you get some paper towels?
Yes, sir, I will get some paper
Petal,
towels.
are you asleep? Why don't you shut up and go to sleep, well? We don't go to sleep yet, it's time to get up. Okay, sounds good. First I want you to get up and then sleep. Oh, be quiet, Petal. What are you talking about? What is going on here? Is it wee-wee on the floor?
After you get the poop. Dog a sicky. Disgusting, you horrible boy.
Will you be quiet? But I'm having my lunch at my table. Shut up and be quiet.
Shh! Quiet, baby Petal. We don't want to wake up you.
I can use one of those dinosaur toys. Maybe I'll give it to him.
I give it all a good hammering and it's working again. Yeah, that's great.
Ah, where did I put those tapers?
But I think you'll need to service a little more hammer. These are not dangerous, Spotatiffic. I can invent that stupid vending machine. Then we use some of those stuff.
Say, I can use one of those hammers.
Just a little tiny bit of a two-pot. Where did I put those pot machine? Oh, my name is Crockett.
This is a nice dead-on egg with ballroom.
Please.
Could I have some dead-on eggs, if I please? Not that I'd play without a dead-on egg. Not that I'd blame without a dead-on egg. What's that sound? I can't hear Petal.
Petal, I'm gonna be this dead-on egg if you're gonna make all that racket. Hey, shut up! Shut up if you're going to make all that racket. Close your mouth. Is it a poop monster? Then hush your mouth. There, I should get chips and dead on eggs.